Hey everyone, this is me David and welcome back to this channel. So now I was going to make this channel from special as events, but we had this coming up event going on from Sunday to Monday and Friday. So from daily routine we had Good Friday. It's coming up sooner. You can stay tuned on in church baptized as well. On Sunday, and also stay tuned on Sunday as early this access from Chinese Baptist Church because I'm going to be baptized. So after that, we can able to record some baptized thing right here when we done in church. Okay, so in my back today in my school, someone who give me this purple bag with a white pokey spots. So here is a touch linen covered. I really like the details. So today we are going to have a Easter recording about. So let's get down into business and put everything out. Wow, there is a lot Easter updating items. So let's get down number one. Number one, we have the chocolate bunny. I like the details and I like the ears putting up. I like this detail from this bunny is generous of it, so yeah. And I like the pose. So here is the chocolate bunny. Number two, we had a pen. It seems like a bunny on it. If we take it out of it, so we have the pen, we can get right on it. Next, we had Instacart. I really like the way the cursive writing of it. So let's open it and see what is in it. Here's the main charge of the cupboard. And let's see. It says, Daniel, let's rejoice from Harriet and the end. It says attached in the cover, and here it is. Next, we had screw glue sticks. It's a surprise from in the school. Only one object of it. Next, we had this bunny. I like the details and I like the cute double ears. And next, we have candies. Oh, let's call it chocolate candies. I like the details of it. Easter is the best because for me, Bible says that Jesus died on the cross. So in front of my church, Jesus only a away from there. The link is posted below in order to see it. But what you say to a big thank you for whoever brought this thing from here to record it, and I'm sure I can able to record a part two from this area. So have a nice day, everyone. And tomorrow is a Good Friday. Good, good, good Friday, everyone in our India. So yeah, stay tuned for Junior Secondary School Resources channel on current control assembly and also like common knowledge. See you guys in there and have a good Friday and also happy Easter. Bye everyone.